Hi, today we're sharing another TikTok strategy designed to help with budget scaling. When your ad or ad group starts gaining traction, it's smart to build on that momentum by increasing your budget strategically. Here is how to set it up. Select the increase budget task and set it to increase the budget by 20% once a day. You can adjust this to scale more or less aggressively based on your strategy and available budget. Set the following conditions. Click-through rate in the last 3 days is greater than or equal to 1%, and ROAS for complete payments in the last 3 days is greater than or equal to 2. The rule will run every 30 minutes to check if these conditions are met. If the conditions are satisfied and the budget is increased, the rule will not adjust the budget again for 24 hours, as it's set to make changes only once a day. For more strategies and the rule details, go to the video description. Try it out and share your feedback.